Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I've got a freebie for you which is available in my Facebook group. So if you haven't already joined us, I'll put the link in the description down below and you can come and find my group and join in the crafting fun and download this freebie along with a stack of others. So this month for July, I'm using this freebie as part of the monthly challenge. So every month I've been running a challenge in my Facebook group where I give away a free printable and I challenge everybody to make something from that printable. So this month we're using this Antique Couture folio cover and I'm going to show you today what I plan to do with this, but you can come up with anything that you like. And in doing that, if you share your creation in the group, then you'll be in the running to win a printable of your choice from my store. Okay, so what I want to do, I've printed out the freebie and then I've printed one of the papers from the journal kit on the back. Now my printer, I mustn't have had my settings right and my printer didn't fill the whole sheet on this side. So there's going to be a little bit of a white space when I cut out the cover, but I'll show you how I'm going to fix that once I get crafting. So I've printed out my cover and I've printed paper on the back. I've printed another sheet of the same paper because I plan to use this as a pocket on the inside of the folio. Then I've also printed some of the pockets from the kit, and then I have printed out just the lined pages and the blank pages from the kit, and I've printed them at 80% because I want to make a little notebook to go inside this folio cover. Then I've also got some of the ephemera that's available in the kit because I'd like to put a few pieces of those into this project. Okay, so I'm going to set those aside for now. I'll set the pages aside too and I'll start with the cover. So sit back and grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and follow along, and I'll see where this takes me. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made this Antique Couture folio. Please check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find the Antique Couture kits as well as lots of other printables. And come and find my Facebook group so that you can download this free folio cover and join in the monthly challenge.